Well, the expectation in regard to sea transportation are similar to any other discipline you work with. You are looking for a proper planning to ensure the smooth execution, then proper coordination during the execution.
So we are a family. Everybody knows what they have to do, the scope of work, what to do precisely when the project comes, and then specifically for this project, where to pick up the work from one person to another.
I am Frederic Pagnès, the Managing Director of Dextra Industry Transport, which was created in 1992 in Thailand. At the beginning, we handled small projects such as power plants. Then, when the Thailand economy grew up, we entered in other sector activities such as petrochemical, sugar mill, paper mill, and so on. Later on, when Thai labor skills reached an international level, Thailand became a major export country. Thailand was able to manufacture complicated equipment such as offshore platform and modular cargo. This is at the time that Dextra decided to open its own in-house engineering department to be able to enter in the market of transporting super heavy cargo. In 2023, Dextra was acquired by Frag Group of Switzerland, which has over 150 offices worldwide. Since they didn't have any offices in Thailand and Vietnam, where Dextra is present, it was a good combination.
For this project, this major project, we had 73 modules to be shipped from Thailand in 2 different yards because the volume was so big that one yard can't fabricate everything. So we had to split it because we transport them on the vessel. We had to find ways to secure them. So this process is called sea fastening. So we had to work almost 1 year in advance before the first shipment. There is 3 reasons behind that. First reason is because the lead time to fabricate such elements, it's very low. It can take up 5 to 6 months. So if you include engineering, you're already like around 10 months, okay? And the second reason is because all what we do, all what we engineered has to be approved by insurance companies, the marine warranty surveyor, and also everything we do is as per international standards, okay? So this takes quite some time to get approved. And the third one, which is very specific to this project, is as we use one vessel to consecutive shipments between the yards, we had to find a way to reuse this material, these sea fastening items. So we had to find a concept, good ideas, and make our customer very confident and happy with the results. So at the end of the day, we managed to pull this off in 3 months, and the overall weight of the sea fastening was around 1,500 tons, which represents around 6% of the total module weight. In other words, it's a several millions dollar saving for the clients when his budget was 15%, so almost like half.
So what did make this project unique is because you have a huge quantity of module to transport in a short period of time. So we have to have an experienced team, but also available team to be on the bridge 24/7.
โปรเซสของเราก็สรุปย่อยๆก็เป็น4สเต็ปกันแล้วกันก็คือ1ก็คือการซีนบาร์นำสิ่งต่างๆออกจากเรือ2ก็คือการมาร์กอัพเพื่อวางตำแหน่งของกินเลน3ก็คือเพื่อวางกินเลนในตำแหน่งต่างๆที่มาร์กไว้4ก็คือเป็นการโหลดเอานำรถ SPMT โหลดโมดูลมายังตำแหน่งที่เราต้องการแล้วก็ติดตั้งเบสซิ่งต่างๆที่เรากำหนดไว้ตามแบบแล้วก็ส่งมอบงานให้กับเจ้าของงานครับ
There is a direct line of communication between the team members through different channels, what makes everything very effective. As well, the long-term relationship between Dextra and TR makes the team work perfectly coordinated. It is crucial, I will say, the link between the fabrication yard and the final site installation is the sea transportation. So that really makes them to be on the spot, and it becomes one of the critical items to follow up. In regard of my vision of the future, utilizing logistic services is to keep trying to make it better every time by the lesson learned we get through every opportunity we have.
ก่อนที่จะเริ่มต้นการทำงานที่มีความเสี่ยงเราจะมีการประเมินความเสี่ยง ว่าจุดไหนที่จะเป็นอันตรายเราจะหาแนวทางป้องกันและเพื่อจะลดความเสี่ยงนั้นรวมทั้งการที่จะจัดหาบุคลากรที่มีทักษะในการทำงานและมีการติดตามควบคุมการทำงานของพนักงานควบคู่ไปด้วยเพื่อความปลอดภัยในการทำงานค่ะในบางครั้งมันอาจจะมีสิ่งที่เหนือการควบคุมของเราอะค่ะแล้วจะทำให้เกิดความเสี่ยงต่อชีวิตแล้วก็สินค้าที่เราจะทำการขนส่งเราจะสต็อปให้หยุดงานก่อนเมื่อสภาพอากาศขึ้นลมดีแล้วเราก็พิจารณาให้กลับมาทำงานใหม่ค่ะ
For this shipment, the module Dextra had to transport was 48 meter long, 37 meter high, and a final weight of 4,130 tons. Originally, this module was supposed to sit on 24 columns, but we realized that 20% of its weight was only on 4 points, which led to very high forces during sea transport on the deck. For months, our engineers and Técnicas Reunidas team worked together to find a solution and establish a weather criteria to ensure safe transportation of this module and also to make sure that the deck can take the load. We came up with the solution to install 16 supports in addition to the 24 existing ones. The installation of this support was quite challenging because the module was already sitting on deck and we had to slide these supports below the modules. We as well developed a step-by-step shimming procedure to ensure that the module was supported on all the support as intended. Now the bracing and the welding are being done as per our design. Once finished and approved by the Marine Warranty Surveyor, the vessel will be ready to sail and safely deliver its milestone module to its final destination.
Dextra is aiming to provide one-stop service to clients. This is why we have opened our own in-house engineering department. But we don't want to stop here. We want to provide more to the clients in order to also beat the competition. In order to do so, we have recently acquired SPMTs to provide also the rolling equipment to our clients, opening the door to us to more inquiries to clients who are considering companies who own their own equipment. This is why we are investing in such equipment now and later on maybe in other type of equipments. When I see Dextra in 1992, when we started with 2 people and what we are now, we have achieved tremendous things. This was not done alone. This was done with my team. And thanks to this family, we have achieved fantastic things.